Wildlife Challenge, Series number 1. Round 1. What is the scientific name for a red fox? The answer is A. Vulpes vulpes. Which bird is famous for its high-leaping courtship dance and vibrant plumage? The answer is A. Peacock. What is the largest living primate on Earth? The answer is B. Gorilla. Which marine mammal is known for playful leaps and tail slaps? The answer is C. Dolphin. Which lizard can run on water? The answer is C. Basilisk lizard. What is the primary method crocodiles use to regulate temperature? The answer is C. Sunbathing. Bonus question. Where does this translucent wonder spend the majority of its time? A. Forest canopy. B. Riverbeds. C. Subterranean burrows. D. Grasslands. The correct answer is A. Forest canopy. Next round. Cats and dogs.